I can't tell you how many times you hit the brakes just a little bit too hard, and in your head you're thinking, please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall, and you can just imagine that, you know, cake or cupcake hitting the floor. We do custom orders for people. That's probably a majority of our business now. Breakfast, pastries, cinnamon rolls, muffins, scones, flourless, chocolate cakes, cheesecakes. I think all bakeries should let their customers know about this stupid card tray. I'm sure it resonates with all pastry chefs and chefs out there that have poured their blood, sweat, and tears into every design, and some very creative designs as well, that, you know, you put a cake in the car and it sits like this, and, you know, you just envision what's going to happen to it on the way home. Stupid card tray is great. I mean, the fun part too, for kids and adults alike, is that it comes in so many assorted colors, which is a lot of fun. The useful practicality of it as well. There's a hand sanitizer. There's a strap as well that goes across if you want to strap something in to make sure it doesn't slide off the anti-skid mat. If you're hauling beverages, hot or cold, it's great to be able to strap those in so they can't slide forward. Lots of practical uses aside from just cakes and pizzas and stuff too. Bakeries offer them themselves or rented them out with, you know, really big expensive cakes. It's going to have your name on it going out the door. You want it to be perfect for them. It's a special occasion.